and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is work safety. In this presentation we will use shades of green and play with a rectangular shape. The color green is most often used to represent nature, healing, health, as it's such a dominant color in nature. It can be a very relaxing color. To easily align our rectangles and leave the desired empty space, we create a rectangle with no fill and outer line of 6 points. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, click Rectangle. From the top left corner of the design area to the bottom right corner and release it. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, weight, 6 points. Then we go to Insert again, we choose Shapes, Rectangle, click in the design area, from the upper left corner, drag and release the mouse. Now we have a blue rectangle. To have the same design results, we will give dimensions. We go to Shape Format ribbon, at the height, size height, we add 6 points, 6 centimeters, and or 2.36 inches if you have inches in your settings. And right below at the width, we add 6.4 centimeters or 2.51 inches if you want inches in your settings. Now we create another 4 identical rectangles with a copy and paste command and line them up. Right click copy, right click paste. Right click copy, right click paste, right click paste, and right click paste. To align them, we click them, and with shift pressed click, shift pressed click, shift pressed click, shift pressed click. We go to shape format, align, distribute horizontally, and here it is. Now we want 2 more rows of rectangles. Shift click, shift click, shift and click, shift and click, shift and click, right click copy, right click paste. Right click paste. Now we want to align them vertically. Shape format, align vertically. The second column with click and shift pressed, with shift pressed and click, align vertically. Align vertically. Click, shift and click, align vertically. Click, shift and click, align vertically. And now we want to delete 2 rectangles from the middle line. We click and shift click and we delete it. And extend with drag and drop the adjacent first one to the left. And this we want to extend it with the help of the white dots. Now we want to delete the large rectangle with the outer line. And if it's necessary, we want to adjust our rectangles, but we are good. From the left side, outside of the design area, we have put the colors we will use with their hex codes. We also write the colors with their codes in the description, so you can copy them from there if you want to practice with us. It's time to color the rectangles that we want. Click the rectangle we want to color. The first, we go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, and choose the color that we want from the left outside of the design area. Shape Outline, no outline. In the same way, we continue for the rest of the rectangles that we want to color. We go to the third rectangle, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the color that we want, Shape Outline, no outline. We go to the next rectangle, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the color that we want outside of the design area, Shape Outline, no outline. And we keep going. Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, Shape Outline, no outline. We go to the large rectangle, Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, choose the color, Shape Outline, no outline. Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the color from the left, Shape Outline, no outline. We choose the rectangle, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, choose the color that we want from the left side outside the design area, Shape Outline, no outline. And the last one, Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, choose the color that we want from the left side outside the design area, Shape Outline, no outline. Now we go to the blue rectangles, click, Shift and click, Shift and click, Shift and click, Shift and click, and we go Shape Format, Shape Outline, no outline. Now we will insert the images that are relevant to our topic. We click the rectangle that we want to put the image. Right click, Format Shape. We go to Fill Picture or Texture Fill. We click Insert from a file. And we go to the image that we want to put inside the rectangle, we click it, and then we go to Insert. And that's it. In the same way, we continue for the rest of the rectangles that we want to put images. We go to the next rectangle, Picture or Texture Fill, we go to Insert from a file, we choose the image that we want to insert, click Insert. Then we go to the next rectangle that we want to insert an image, Picture or Texture Fill, Insert from a file, we click the desired image and click Insert. We go to the next rectangle that we want to insert an image, Picture, go to Insert from a file, we click the image that we want to put and click Insert. Then we go to the last rectangle that we want to insert an image, Format Shape, Picture or Texture Fill, Insert, from a file. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Now we will choose the font of our title. We want it to look clear and match the style of our presentation. There are many options. We will choose Times New Roman. We go to Insert ribbon. We click Text box, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We go to choose Times New Roman font. Size 40, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, and white color. We choose from Home ribbon the color white. Shift and apostrophe, prioritizing work safety for a productive and protected workplace. Close apostrophe. We go and click center, or with Ctrl plus E to center the text. And now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose and click Text box, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We choose again Times New Roman, 20 size, bold, white, and we write Martha G. Santos. Center the text. Now we want to go to the title to put bold letters. Now we want all the elements there to look uniform. For this we will add a large rectangle that will cover the entire title slide. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, click Rectangle, click in the Design area from the upper left corner to the bottom right corner. We go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, eyedropper. We choose the color that we want from the left side outside the design area. Shape outline, weight, 6 point. Right click Format Shape. We go to Transparency and we set the transparency 70%. We go to Shape Outline, eyedropper. We choose again the color from the left side outside the design area, and the result is that. Now we can start with animations. First we move the large rectangle. Then we choose the color for rectangles. Click, shift click, shift click, shift click, shift click, shift click, and shift click. We go to Entrance, Wheel, Effect Options for spokes. Start with Previous, Duration 1. Then we go to the first image. The first image. Entrance Zoom, effects, options, object center as it is, duration 1, start after previous. Then we go to the second image, enter zoom, effect, options, object center, duration 1, start with previous. Then we go to the third image, enter and zoom, effect, options, object center as it is, duration 1, start with previous. Then we go to the fourth image, enter and zoom, effect, options, object center as it is, duration 1, start with previous. And the last image, enter and zoom, effect, options, object center as it is, duration 1, start with previous. Now we go to the large rectangle with the title. We click the rectangle, entrance wipe, effect, options from right, start with previous, duration 1.5. Then we go to the title, entrance fly in, effect, options from right, start after previous, duration 1.5. We go to the presenter's name, entrance fly in, effect, options from right, start with previous, duration 1.5. And the last, we go to the large rectangle, entrance fade, duration 1.5, start after previous. We go to the first animation, we choose play from to see the result. Otherwise, from the slideshow button, we click it. Click the down arrow, and that's it. Thank you very much. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!